How to log in account on Airbnb. Are you guys facing issues to log in into your account on Airbnb? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To log in into your account on Airbnb, first of all, open Airbnb application. After you open the app, now just simply look at the right bottom of the screen where you can see this login icon or profile icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see this option for login or sign up. You are looking to log in into your account, right? Just simply tap on login. After you click on login, now select the option that you have created your account with. If you don't know how to create an account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to create an account on Airbnb application. Once you select the option, you need to write down your registered email and password. As soon as you write it down, you will be instantly logged in into your account on Airbnb. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to log in into your account. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.